Now I'm taking one more component. Is it visible here? Yeah, it is visible. Fine, this is another component we'll be seeing now. This component has 2 LEDs and 3 pins. So what this component is, I'll explain you first. Okay. So it is something like this. On this there is one square button, potentiometer like this. Here there is one LED, here there is one LED. Yeah, it is IR sensor. This is blue, which is transmitter, white, which is receiver. So this will be transmitting infrared rays. When there is an obstacle, it will reflect that rays back. And it has 3 pins here. One is VCC, one is ground, and one is output. So there are 3 pins here. Okay, so this is IR obstacle sensor. Now where it is used, so it can be used for obstacle detection in the small vehicles which you make. It can be used in blind man sticks. I'll be showing you this application I have designed, in which I have used to detect the depth and steps. Depth and steps. Okay. So this can be used. Now we'll see programming. Now it's very simple. This particular sensor will give high or low. That is absence and presence, you can say. Absence and presence. So we have to check for high, we have to check for high, or we have to check for low. That's it. Okay. So what I'll do first the connections. I need one 5-volt pin for this now, one ground and one input pin. So I'll do the connections first. So this is female to female connector. Both the sides female pins are there. These are female to female connectors. I have taken 3 wires. So in this, first is VCC, second is output, and third is ground. So third is VCC, ground and output. VCC is ground wala. So I have to connect it to VCC. Can you tell me 5 volts, which is the 5-volt pin? Can anybody tell me which is the 5-volt pin? Yeah, second and fourth, both. Anyone I can take. Second or fourth, I can take any one. So I am taking second number pin and connecting it to VCC here. Fine, VCC. Then I have to take ground. I'll take pin number 6 is already ground used. I'll take pin number 9 as ground. Pin number 9 as ground now. So my red wire in this is ground wire. So I have to take pin number 9 and connect it to pin number 9. So I connect it to pin number 9 over here. Again I am repeating, please don't try such stunt. I hope if you have a Raspberry Pi with you, in the on state. No, it is difficult. I'll take another. I'll take pin number 39. Leave it. Very simple. Here pin number 39. Now see. Can you see this? Light is glowing. If anything comes near this, see the second light is also glowing. Can you see this? Okay, means my sensor is, see, if I'm bringing something near to it, if I'm bringing something near to my this as an obstacle, this see, second line is glowing. Now it is not glowing. If I bring it in the nearby vicinity, see the second is glowing. So the sensor is working. Now I have to take pin number third pin. Okay, third wala. Orange wala wire. Where I'll connect, let me check. I'll connect to pin number 37, that is pin number 26. It will be easy for me. So my circuit connection is ready. Obstacle sensor is ready to go. Is that circuit clear? Anybody, any issue with the circuit? So this is my connections over here. Now what I did, this is my obstacle sensor. Obstacle sensor has 3 inputs: VCC, ground and output. So what I did is, I've connected this VCC here. I've connected this ground to pin number 39, and I've connected this output to pin number 37. Fine. And then from pin number 2, I have connected one LED. This is my LED, and I've connected a ground here. This is in short the connection which I have done. Okay? Is this clear now? Fine. Now we'll go for the coding part. So now here I'll save this as IR buzzer. Now what I'll do, which pin I have to make it output? Let's say I'm making pin number 3 as output. Okay, already buzzer is connected over there. I'll copy this, paste. I have to make pin number 37 as input. 37 as input. So I'll write in. Just simply write in, that's it. Nothing more than that. You have to write in. Now while true, I'll remove this all now. I don't need, I'll completely write the code again. Now what I want, I have to check whether that pin is high or low. So I'll say if GPIO dot. Now what I have to write, input or output? What command I'll write for input? Yes, do you remember? Input, I have to write pin number 37 and nothing more. It may return high or low, anything it will return you. It will return you either high or low. So I'm writing it high. Assuming it's high, I'll say GPIO dot output. Output na? Pin number 3, comma high. GPIO dot high. Then here I'll say one delay of, I'm very sorry, it's not delay, it is time dot sleep, and here I'll write 0.5, just a half a second delay. Else, okay, or else you can take it for low also, no issues, but I'll take right the moment else, and I'll just put this code here. And I'll make it low. And here I'll print output high. Here I'll print instead of output high, I'll write sensor high. Sensor low. That's it. So my code is ready. Let's execute, go for execution. Hopefully it will work fine. There is some error. What was that error? End of the line to the string. Okay. See, when there is no obstacle, it is giving me high. With the obstacle, it is giving me low. So what I have to do, I have to change the coding now. So just I'll make it low here and I'll make it high here. Done. I'll just because I was not knowing whether it is giving high for the obstacle or not. So I'll just execute the code now. See, buzzer abhi bhi baj raha hai. Now see, it is high. There is no obstacle, no buzzer. But the moment I bring my hand near it, the buzzer is buzzing. Just see this. I'm bringing some obstacle nearby. If you want to give indication on LED, you can give indication on LED also. Okay. What here you can do, you can write GPIO dot output bracket में 5 number and you will write GPIO as high because already I have connected LED over there. No need to do any changes in the hardware because already I have connected LED over there. So here I'll write low. Sorry, here it should be high and here I'll write it low. One more change is needed, that is I have to define here also pin number 5 as output. Pin number 5 as output. And now I'll run the code. Okay, obstacle is detected, LED is glowing. I've removed. There is an obstacle here. Remove. I am just trying to put all in the one screen. So I am taking any obstacle over here. So it is sensing from some distance, at least like 5 to 6 centimeters. So this is what is the distance that is sensing. Almost 6 to 8 centimeters it is sensing. Fine.